and welcome back. So for today's short video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my strip lashes and how it can transform your look into something so glamorous. So the lashes I'm going in with today are by Allure, and these ones are the Fluttery lashes. They are absolutely gorgeous. So these ones I have already used. My tips with these is I always love to keep the packaging. That way, if I really like a lash, then I put it back in here and then I know exactly which ones they are. And that way, you can just keep on reusing them. So you don't need to use lashes just once and then throw them out. They are actually reusable. So as long as you just give them a nice clean, you can just use a spoolie and brush through the lashes. And then you just pull off very gently the rest of any extra lash glue, and then you can reuse them again. So the first thing I like to do is I like to get the lashes out and I like to measure them. So these ones, as I said, I've already used, so I have cut them down. I just want to place that one just above my lashes. So as I can see, this one is, so as you guys can see, this one is the perfect length. If it is not, I like to measure, and then what you guys can do is just see where it is, take it off and just cut. Do start small, don't go hacking at it because you can't get it back. One other thing that I like to do is when you cut the ends off, I do like to keep those because sometimes I do like to just put them underneath my eye, or if you have a lash that isn't as dramatic, what you can do is keep the little end, put a pair of these lashes on, and then you can just use the extra bit just on top to like double stack it to give you guys that really flary, nice lash look on the end. Okay, so I like to rest this against my face and then just push it into my eye socket there. And then just bend that straight up. Then what I like to do is just release and then just grab the ends, just so I'm really curling the ends of those lashes. And as I can see already, they are super like wing curly. What I like to do is I like to go in and apply my mascara. And then I like to brush down on my lashes, just because your lashes are going to sit on top. If you've applied any makeup, you don't want the fallout to go on your lashes, because that's when you get like the discoloration of having dark lashes and then your lashes are looking really opaque. Your lashes are looking really light because you've had powders, eyeshadows, all that kind of stuff fall on it. So while I'm here, I like to do my bottom lashes because I find once I have big lashes on, sometimes it's a bit hard to get right in there. I like to just sort of wiggle them like this. It's just going to give me more movement when I put them on. What I like to do is just pop that straight over my eye again. Done. So as you can see, that's alright. So I like to line up the middle. Let's get my inner corner, because I don't like that poking in my eye, so I do like to make sure that it is sitting where I want it. Now we have one lash on. You guys can really see how it's opened up my eye. So as you guys can see, this is one eyelash done. It completely transforms the way your eyes look. The one thing I love is I love putting lashes on just on like a daily basis. That way it does look really nice just with a normal look. Doesn't have to be very glam or anything like that. So now both my lashes on, you guys can really see the difference in what it does for your eyes, and I absolutely love them. So for me, I wear lashes almost every day, so I am absolutely loving these. The one thing I love is how it can change your look from something just so simple to give that something just that little bit extra.